Is it the flavor or the color drip, sweet and salty taste of a creamy caramel sauce in your dessert? Hi, my name is Evelyn Monday. Welcome to my channel, Lively Lifestyle. On this channel, I share inspirationals based on godly principles, simple DIYs, baking tips, and tutorial. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell button to get updates whenever I post new videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious, rich and creamy caramel sauce at home using your microwave. So let's get started. What we need for this recipe are sugar, butter, condensed milk, honey, and flavor. And we're also using the microwave safe bowl. So I'm going to drop full details of the ingredients used in the description box below. So I'm adding in my half cup of butter into the microwave safe bowl. Then the next thing, I'll put it into the microwave for 1 minute to melt the butter. After the butter is melted, the next step is just to add every other ingredient except your flavor and pop into the microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you bring it out and mix properly to make sure everything is cooking evenly. Then you put it back into the microwave. Set the timer for another 2 minutes. Two minutes time, you can see the bubble on top. It's already forming bubbles. So you whisk properly, whisk to make sure everything is also cooking evenly. Whisk properly and you put it into the microwave for 1 minute. Wow! So 1 minute time, you can see I noticed that my bowl is too small for this sauce. Then I have to divide the sauce in two and make it in batches. And I put it back into the microwave for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here you have it. Our caramel sauce is coming together. So you whisk it, make sure everything is whisked. So you can actually leave your sauce like this. Though I want mine to be darker, so I whisk it properly and pop it into the microwave for another 1 minute. One minute time, our caramel sauce is ready to go. So you can see it's pretty hot, so you have to take care so this doesn't touch your arm. final thing to do is to add your flavor. You can add vanilla flavor, but I choose to add salted caramel flavor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.